Hi friends, today's video is about creating a business card using Canva. Canva is a complete online application which is available from anywhere in the world. Let's see a simple tutorial. To begin with, log in into your Canva application by visiting canva.com. Now, as soon as you enter this web page, you will see a create a design button. Click on that and now type business card. You will see this business card option. Please select that. You will see all these templates over here, and this is, if you hover over this, you can see Pro. Now Pro meaning it's not free, it's about the subscription that you have to go for the Canva application. Otherwise, these are the ones which are not mentioned as Pro, these are free. So you can go to anything that is free. If you are a baker, you can go for such kind of design, and you will see it's a simple and chic design that you can choose. Now I can write here my business. You can change these icons by editing the image. I can remove this image and add something else. Suppose I am a baker. I type cake. I can choose this icon and I can go for a black or a dark gray color. Now I can reduce the size of this image and replace this image. So I can place it over here. I can write here home bakery. I can change the font as well, selecting some other font and selecting some other font here, and I can experiment on any fonts that I like. Suppose this is the font I like: cakes, pastries and more. This is something I want to write here. Home baker is my designation. And if I want to mention my number, I can mention over here. If I have a website, I can mention over here. Also, I can mention my email ID over here. And if you want to write your address, you can mention over here. This way, you can create a simple business card for your home business. You don't have to hire any designer to get this printed. I can also change the color of the fonts. If I want to change to any other font, I can change the color. I can change this color as well. If you want to remove this element, you can remove, or you can keep it over there. You can also select shapes in the elements section, click enter and add some other shapes other than rectangle or square. I can change the color of the line. I can add or remove these elements. Suppose if you do not have a website yet, you can remove this element as well. You can shift these elements little bit to the top and arrange it to give it a neat look. If you do not want to mention your email ID, you can remove this too. If you press Ctrl Z or you click on this undo sign, you will go back to the original changes that you had made on this page. You can see your basic card is ready. If you want to print this card, you need to download a copy of this card. Let us download that. Go to this share button on the right hand side top corner. Click on download. Click on the PNG file which is already suggested. Increase the size to a good amount, that is 2000, which is good. It gives us more clarity. And we can see some options here: transparent background, compressed file, and save download settings. If you want to save these download settings, you can check this. Right now, I do not want any of these options, so I can click on download. It will download this file to my desktop. Now visit vistaprint.in and select visiting cards. Go to standard visiting cards and select on whatever quality you want. I will select standard. I want a matte or glossy, I can choose. I will select matte. Corners, if you want standard or rounded, I will select standard. Quantity, I will make 100 because I don't want more. Click on start designing. Once you come to start designing page, you will be seeing so many options. Now if you want to select any of these options, you can select. Otherwise you can upload your own design. Now I will upload this size because this is what our business card looks like. I will select next. I will upload my file over here. You can see that my file has been uploaded on the screen. It says that the image resolution looks great. That means you have a good image quality that you have downloaded from Canva. Now you can see a preview option. You can preview your card, how it will actually look when it comes printed. You can see the reverse side, which is blank, as you have not selected any image over there. Close this. Coming to the adjustment of the card, right now the card is in a good size and you need not resize it, but sometimes you may require to resize the card. So once you click on the screen, you will see so many options coming in. You can click on move or resize and you will see 4 dots coming in here, very small, which are not visible. You can check here the blue dots. Once you click on them and you adjust this design, it will reduce or it will increase the size of the design. You can see this, it expands or reduces the size. Now this looks great for me. I will click next. It will ask you the reverse side printing options. If you want to print anything on the reverse side like your address, a map or any other information, you can go for a full color or a grayscale, which is the same rate. You can click anything and you have to upload another image for backside. Right now I will go with the blank. So this is blank. I will click on next. Once you come to this page, you will see front and back side together. Now I will click I have reviewed and approved my design to go further and print. Next. Now it will ask you whether you are already an existing user or you are a new user. If you are an existing user, you can add your credentials or you can sign up. Coming to this page, you will see the design and the quantity you have selected. You can also change the quantities over here on this page. Now I approve and add it to the basket. You can see that this option is showing you my cart and whatever quantity and your design that you have selected and the final amount to check out. Now you can check out, make the payment and order your card to your desired address. Now let us see how to create a two-side business card. That means one side will be your logo and the brand name and the other side will be your contact details. You can see this add page option. You can add multiple pages on the same page where you are working. This is your work area and you can go on adding multiple pages. You can also delete the page, add a page, or duplicate a design which you have already worked on. Suppose I want to duplicate this design. I will click on duplicate page. Same copy will be created below it. Right now I don't want this, so I will delete it. If you want it, you can also create a duplicate copy and work on it. Now since I have to create a two-side business card, I will delete all the contact details. I will bring this in the center. I want to align this alphabets or these characters in center alignment. You can go to the alignment side and align them in the center. Now you can see these pink lines appearing on the screen. That is showing your alignment. So I want it right in the center. So I have to choose something that comes in the center alignment. Even the line, I can select this option here and move the line. Again, this I want in the center alignment. I'm changing the alignment and getting into the center. Now these I don't want right now. I can get this over here, center line. Again this in the center line. Now I can select everything. Okay, I'm selecting everything and moving it to somewhat to the center. So this way you can keep on arranging the elements till they are perfectly in the center and as per the required alignment. Now moving to the next page. I will delete everything, or you can keep all these things. There is no problem at all. I will keep it like this. I can also add one line. Or I can write to shop again. And I can increase the font. And you can send these cards to your customers so that you write a thank you note to them and you mention that you were happy to serve them. Now as you see, I have created the design. Now I need to download it because we have to print this design. Go to share option, go to download. You can see the PNG is already selected. Size, this is the resolution as I mentioned. Increase the resolution somewhat to 2000 for a great quality. All 2 pages. Okay, this is the selection option. You want to print all 2 pages or only 1 page out of the design. I want to print both the pages. So the both pages are checked over here. Done. Save download settings for the next print. Now I click on download. It will create a zip file and I have to extract from the zip file. Let us again go back to vistaprint.com, visiting cards and standard visiting cards. Select all the necessary options over here and say start designing. Now upload a design. I can now select my zip files that were present over here. Since you can see there is only one file, because this is only going to accept the PNG or JPG file format. So let's go to my desktop. I'm going to extract the zip files from here. Now you will see the extracted ones. So this is 1 and this is 2. I want both of them and I will load both of them. If you scroll little bit downside, you will see the front side and the reverse side. Now I want this part on the front side, so I will select front side and load this design. Can you see this image has loaded and the image resolution looks great because we have opted for a high resolution. Now click on add a reverse side. So I will select this one. You need to select full color for a colorful file. So click on this. Then only it will show you the option of upload. Otherwise, if I click on blank, it is not accepting any upload. So click on full color. Now load your file. Now you can see the image file has loaded. If you preview it, you will see both the sides. This is front side, reverse side. And side by side, you will see both the sides together. Now as I want to purchase this file, I click on review and purchase. I hereby approve my design and next. Similarly, click on quantity, what quantity you require, approve and add to basket. I have shown you two types of design where the card is having only one side and the back is blank. And then the other side where you can preview, the two sides are full and the design is on both sides. You can see the difference in pricing because the back printing also has some cost. We added 80 rupees for that. Hence, this has become 240, 160 plus 80 rupees. Now you can check out, you can choose which card you want and you can remove the other card. If I want a two-side card, I will remove the single side card. This is what is my final amount. I hope you loved this video, and if yes, do like and subscribe to the channel for more such videos. Bye bye and take care.